Hello, it's Marco here from Markom3D. I just kind of want to bring to your attention this website that has a whole bunch of free 3D models. This is 3D Sky, something I've come across and that I'm probably going to start using quite heavily. Not all the models are for free, however, there is a pretty big filter that'll kind of cleanse all that. So for instance, I'm just going to pick miscellaneous in technology. Up the top there, we can select free. And then we'll see a whole bunch of free models that we can download. Now, kind of to make this video faster, I've already pre-downloaded the desk. So I've already pre-downloaded this desk. So let's jump over into Blender and just have a quick look. Now, what's the first thing that we do off the bat? We delete the default cube. Like I've said, I've already downloaded the zip. I've unzipped the file. So let's just quickly go File, Import. I know there's an FBX file in there, because I've already pre-opened it, table fbx.fbx. I'm just going to go import. Wham bam, thank you ma'am, we've got a desk. We can see that there's a little bit of an issue with this specific model, but if I kind of grab these pieces, G to the Z, move it down a smidgen, there we go. It's not too bad of a desk. The materials are okay. Let's just go into rendered view just to check it out. Ambient occlusion, bloom, and screen space reflections. I'm just going to give it a little bit of 3-point lighting, bring this down, G to the Z, and I mean, it's a pretty nice looking desk for absolutely no work. So if you found this useful, hit the like button, it really helps me out and keeps up to date with my content. No, it doesn't. The subscribe button keeps up to date with my content, so press that one as well, which, nope, this corner, because I've got it mirrored. Go press that as, no, directly below us. Hit that button as well. If you like this video and you found it very helpful, leave a message and I will continue to search for 3D libraries as well.